What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome, and welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. So today's video, unfortunately, it is gonna need to be voiced over because I could not talk through this look and do it at the same time. And that does not mean that all the videos going forward will be voiced over. It's just going to be this one because it was kind of detailed. But I figured this look was nice and festive for the holidays. So if you're interested in watching me create this look, please keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my left eye off camera, and I always start with my P. Louise eyeshadow base. This is the shade Rumor 02. This one is my favorite one because it's light. So I'm going to take the big box palette, and I used the color La Salle first. It's a white shimmer, and I wanted to put that as a highlight in my upper, the eyebrow highlight area, but it's really hard for me to blend that out with all these blues, so I wanted to put that one on first. Next, I'm going to take the color Sabine and blend that up into the color La Salle. Next, we're going to take the color Lincoln. It's a blue shimmer, and blend that into Sabine. Now we're going to do the same thing with the color Franklin and start blending that into it. This is the darkest blue of the palette, just to kind of deepen up that crease because we are going to cut it. Now right here, to deepen my crease even more, I did pick up a black. I used the black out of the Tarteist Pro palette, and I believe the color is Ink. So to cut my crease, I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas. The shade is Create, I think. It's just the lightest one that's not white. So I'm taking my BH Cosmetics brush to cut my crease. The colors that I used for my lid were La Salle, which was the first white shimmer that we used. This one was St. Mary. It's a lighter blue shimmer. And I'm going to go back in my outer corner with the shade Lincoln, and the same brush that I used to blend my crease, I'm going to blend that outer corner. I didn't take more product, I just used what was already on there to kind of blend it out. Now I'm going to take my Neon Brights by NYX liquid liner and put the liner over my eye. Now in hindsight, this might have been kind of pointless because I did put glitter on top of the liner, but I thought that it would make it shine more blue if there was a blue base. So here's where I'm going to take my NYX. This is the NYX Glitter Primer and the Glitter Brilliance, and put the primer over the eyeliner that I just did, and right after that put the glitter on top. And so I don't go blind from glitter, I'm going to take my spoolie and clean that up, like any loose glitter that might be hanging onto your lashes. Now I'm going to take my white liquid liner and go over my eye. This line doesn't have to be absolutely perfect because we are going to add glitter over it. Now this is where things start getting a little bit more detailed. I am trying to draw snowflakes. So as you can see, I kind of started with a cross, and then I just put little lines on top of the lines that I already drew. I really don't know how to explain it to you guys how I was doing it, so you're just gonna have to watch and do your best. I really feel like I could have done a better job at these, but this was my first time trying it, so I thought they came out okay. But yeah, I mean, I really don't know how to explain to you how I did it. I just tried it and it was okay. Now right here, I thought I was recording the whole time, but I wasn't. I was just repeating the same process with the glitter primer and some silver glitter for over that white line. So now I just added the color Lincoln under my lash line with a smudge brush and removed my tape. Oh my gosh, my edge was so sharp, and you want to add some bomb lashes. So I wanted to make sure my eyelashes were big because blue eyeshadow, I feel like, is very deserving of big ass lashes. So that's why I chose these. So now we are done with eyes, and we're moving on to face. This is the Dr. Brandt Illuminizing Primer. I love this one, and the bottle was blue, so I thought it would match. The foundation that I use is the MAC NC45. This one is a holy grail for me. I use it all the time. I like to blend it out with a sponge. I just feel like it gives me a better look. Now, I always do spray my face with setting spray before I start blending out the concealer and the contour shades. The shades that I'm using are by ColourPop. The Pretty Filter concealers is what I used, and I like to use a brush to blend out both of these, just two different brushes, you know. And my camera deleted footage of me blending out the contour color and adding my setting powder, but I do like to use the Makeup Revolution banana powder. And the highlight shade that I was using just now was from the NYX Diamonds in Ice Please palette. Now, this lip kit that I'm using is by Makeup Revolution. It's a dark brown lip liner and a light pink mauve nude shade for the matte lipstick. I forget the name of it. I'll link it down below or put it in the description box down below. But that is the end of this tutorial. I did off camera try to add some rhinestones in the middle of those snowflakes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Mallory Alexis, and you will see my face in the next video.